Okay, we got the crank exactly where we want it. It's good on both sides right there. Okay. And I put high temperature grease so you don't burn the seals. And what you want to do is you want to take that bearing, you want to turn it like this. I don't break my phone. Hold on. Yeah, you want to turn it like this. Take this. It's probably still hot, and you just want to drop it over. What that'll do is it'll shield. It'll shield the plastic seal, the high temperature seal there. You don't want that oil seal or crankcase seal to melt. I did melt one before, so I am guilty of that. But once you put the high temperature grease on there, it actually doesn't melt. It stays there until you like really roast it. So we don't want to go more than like 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That side's done. Then you flip the other side, you do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. And then what you do is with a mallet, lightly tap the sides and just hit it. Lightly tap. Now, since it's in there, you could actually tap this too. It's not going to throw it out of whack. You're not going to slam it. It's already seated in the grooves. And then, that's it. And it comes like butter. Let me just do this. I need to hold this. All right. That's it. Here it is. Trying not to hit the sides. But that's the crank. Everything's good. It's ready to be put back together. And on to the next chapter, and we're going to powder coat that case and that little Kawasaki case because it's not part of the motor. We don't even want to put any paint or anything on this because you're going to raise the temperature. This is the core part of the motor. Has to be left alone. Some people do it, but you know what happens when you raise the temperature. It acts as an insulator, the powder coat. Over here, you can get away with it on this side. Okay, so here we go. That's it. We're all good to go, ready to put the jug back on.